Happy kayo. Uy. Just push, yes, daddy.
Yeah. It look like it's
Tight.
smaller already.
Need to buy new one, Maui? Huh? Kuya Ryan also so foggy and ready. Magre-renew kami ng kanilang visa today.
Yes. High five.
Let's go! Claps, claps. Wow! Shatur, Maya! Excited to go. Here we go again. Renewal time. Dito ulit kami sa riverfront. Wala kaming dalang mat this time. 10,000 steps. We need to reach every day.
I need to watch now to count my steps.
It's okay next time. Maui, we're going that side. Daddy, look at him. Where he is going. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Tapos na kaming mag-renew ng kanilang visa, guys. So suddenly we just decided to come here. Maui, Maui, come on! Ryan walking with Tita Joy. So serious now. Baby, where is he going?
Why serious? He's going to
He's going to the car, it seems.
them.
Someone is happy, guys. Got 6 months visa.
Yeah. Don't worry. 6 months.
Daddy Ram will try taho.
Ang small na ito ng kay 50 and 55 meaning
Small lang, small.
pila ka ba?
Isa lang.
With milk, ma'am?
See this one, Odani.
Oh, it's like
Legs, you know.
this is different.
I think it's the same.
It's like tofu, baby.
Yeah. Yes.
With milk?
Ayaw na.
Oh, the condensed milk. Sila?
50.
Maui, you want taho, Maui? Bili kami ng isa pa para kay ate. At may batang hindi mapakali. Gusto na niyang maglakad. Taho! Okay. Just walk there. You like it? Huh? I love that also.
What is syrup?
Sugar syrup, I think.
Try.
Yeah, I will.
No.
May batang gusto din ng taho, guys. Ay, not allowed, man. Let's ask mommy. Okay? Mommy is coming.
For mom.
See? Te, he wants taho, te. Ah. Kuya, kuya. Okay, okay, okay. I'm scared because...
So good.
No? Not good? You don't like it?
I like it.
You like it now? And mommy like it also. Happy? Tito Ram likes it
He walks
also.
so much.
Hmm.
And there's a slope. He keep going up himself. He's raising himself and coming down, going up.
Hmm.
How many?
So how many steps?
Okay, we did 33 minutes.
33 minutes of walking.
Already 33 minutes.
Shatur, Ryan.
1 mile and 15.15.
Around 3,000 steps.
Shatur.
Wait, I want to do more steps, okay then. So bye.
More steps. Wait for Tita. You can't go alone. Put your finger on the leaves, Nana.
These?
Yeah.
Are these the closing leaves?
Yeah. What?
I miss these leaves. We had so many in India.
Hmm.
Why do they close for protection?
Maybe.
It's kind of spiky too. Oh my god, I miss these leaves so much.
Oh, mga panabong na manok, guys.
So manok will sleep inside and sleep.
Ang dami dito. Sabi ni Ram, tinolang manok daw, guys.
Get one, Ryan.
Get one for Lolo Bear. Oh, so many.
Up even.
Yeah.
Most of the birds are.
These chickens, they will attack me.
Ryan can run.
Next time, we'll come here, okay, with proper outfit. Proper attire. Still with makeup.
Oh, I would makeup.
Girls can't come out from the house without makeup, Ryan. Is it true?
No, you
Oh.
cannot. You can. Okay?
I can?
Yeah.
Oh, ang dami nagja-jogging, walking.
Like, there's some woman that just passed by us. She's not wearing makeup.
Oh.
Oh,
You really notice, huh?
he's
He's checking.
it out.
He's observing
Ah.
everything.
I have super senses. I have
Hmm.
good eyesight and I have good ears.
Oh.
Ryan, the brother missing Ryan.
We are looking for brother, bless and love. Nakita ko siya kanina. Hindi namin siya makita ngayon. Sabi ni Ryan, gusto daw niyang sabihan na, "Hi brother, bless and love." Yung famous sa Facebook. Buy in the Indian store, Adi. Cherry leaves.
Biryani rice.
This kind of papu also.
Urad dal, yeah.
Urad dal. Biryani rice again. Are you gonna cook biryani soon?
We already got
Which one?
the mint leaves. So
Yeah.
it will be taste more.
Weekend, this weekend maybe. And such a biggie.
Because small ones don't have.
Is it?
Yeah.
How many, waiting for how many days already?
Because most of the time we use ghee for pergo and other stuff. No, not pergo, like food.
You wanna go swimming?
Yeah.
Everyday swimming na guys. For good health.
You also join.
Yeah, I will go also. Swimming exercise.
Yes.
Okay then.
Maui,
We'll go to the end.
let's
He
go.
got his sword and he's running. What?
Ready?
Ready? Ready to swim?
Yeah, it's ready.
Let's go, come on, let's go.
Go down.
Ryan, come.
But they come this side, there's a
It's okay, we can use this one.
Nobody knows me like you do. You just read my mind. Nobody gets me.
Maya Maya fish. First time we are cooking fish curry here, fish pulse. We'll see how it comes, okay?
We also share the recipe.
With Maya Maya fish.
We will share the recipe also.
Let's see how it is then, we'll see. They know already, I think the mommy talked a lot of times. She showed a lot of times. Here we have fish, tamarind juice, brinjal, and masala, chili, and onion paste. Okay, let's start.
Is it good? Sweet? Mami! Watermelon! Ah! Ayaw daw yung kumain ito, sabi ni ate. Patikimin natin. Ayaw niya talaga. Your strawberry, favorite niya. Yum yum? Shall I cut for you? No, no? Oh, no, no, no. Mama? Mama? I'll give you, okay? Sana natin. Tabishi! I'm eating! Umalis si Daddy Ram, guys. May pinuntahan. Tikman natin itong ating nilulutong fish curry. Perfect. Hindi ko alam kung nasabi ni Daddy Ram sa inyo, pero first time namin na magluto ng fish curry dito sa Pilipinas kasi hindi kami sure kung anong isda ang gagamitin, anong isda ang masarap para sa fish curry. Pero parang perfect ang ating maya-maya para sa fish curry na ito. Magiging successful. Lalagyan ko na lang siya ng non-veg masala. Ayan, hintayin natin na mas magluto pa talaga siya. Update pala guys sa visa ng aking mag-ama. Sinabi ko sa inyo, di ba, nakakuha kami ng 6 months visa and hindi namin ina-expect yun, guys. Blessing in disguise talaga. Ina-expect namin na at least makakuha ng 2 months and then we'll process na yung TRV or temporary resident visa ni Daddy Ram at saka ni Ryan. Kasi kailangan pa ni Daddy Ram ng NBI clearance. Yan, NBI clearance, it will take 1 month daw. So, alam niyo yun, maghihintay pa kami. So, ina-expect namin, mag-extend na lang ng 2 months and then after that, pwede lang kumuha ng TRV. But, kanina, nung nagtatanong kami kung ano yung mga options namin, tapos sinabihan kami na pwede kaming kumuha ng 6 months visa para sa kanila. So, oh my God, kasi last time may nakausap kami tapos ang sabi, bihira lang daw silang magbigay ng 6 months na visa. So, isa kami sa mga maswerteng nasabihan at mabait yung immigration officer na inalaw kami na mag-extend ng 6 months. And then, may isang option pa. Si Ryan, pwede siyang kumuha ng recognition as a Filipino citizen certificate. So, mas mura yun kaysa sa TRV. Kasi, yung TRV, first year, I think, nasa 14,000. And then, the following 4 years, kasi 5 years yung ibibigay nila sa'yo, parang nasa 30 to 40,000 ang isa. Si Ryan, pag nakakuha siya ng recognition as a Filipino citizen, 12,000 lang, guys. O, diba? laking tipid nun. Tapos, hindi na siya kailangan pang kumuha pa ng visa. Yun ay sapat na para makapag-stay siya how long man dito sa Pilipinas. Yung friend ko yung nagsabi sa akin about sa recognition as Filipino citizen. So, thank God talaga. And then, may catch lang siya. Kailangan sa Bureau of Immigration sa Manila or sa main branch nila kailangan i-apply. So, since may plano naman kaming gumala sa Manila anytime soon, hopefully, makapag-apply na din doon. Sa amin ng officer, punta kayo ng maaga. Tapos sabihin nyo na galing pa kayong Davao para makuha daw agad yung certificate. Okay na yun, guys. And then, si Daddy Ram, i-apply siya ng TRV pag nakuha namin yung NBI clearance niya. Pero, chill-chill lang tayo kasi nga may 6 months visa sila, diba, dito sa Pilipinas. Ay, less hassle, less iisipin. Kasi, hindi na tayo mag-renew ng kanilang visa anytime soon. Check, Daddy.
Put masala already?
Yes. You will be happy.
After how many months?
Grabe. 3 months? It's good, right?
It's good. Have to put this one away.
Si Ryan kumain na ng adobo. Later na daw siya mag-fish. Well, Joy. Let's eat fish curry. So nice smell.
Yeah, so nice. I remember all the.
Oh, you tried it in India, right?
I think so. I think even in UAE.
Oh. This one. Mas spicy. I'm so worried. Saan na lang ang kuan.
Farad is okay. Give me that.
It's okay. Spicy. It's not that spicy. Natulog si Maui immediately.
It's tired. We played in the park.
Oh. He was so happy. So happy din siya dito di ay. Lalo. Kaya mag-boot siya. Asa siya mag-boot eh. He wants to go there where the grasses are so long.
They're worried maybe something is inside, you know.
Yeah, insects.
Insects.
But he really wants to go outside. He played with stick.
You wanna go wherever there is like sunlight.
But the slope is so funny.
Whenever it's not allowed for him to go,
Ah,
something that he should not eat, he wants to eat.
yes.